Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Xiaomi Watch S4 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Samsung's latest smartwatch brings a refined design, WearOS with Google App support, and advanced health tracking, while Xiaomi counters with an elegant build, a power-efficient OS, and insane battery life. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two smartwatches and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and build. Both watches feel premium, sporting aluminum casings that sit comfortably on the wrist. Samsung takes a sleeker approach with ultra-thin bezels, giving the Galaxy Watch 7 a near edge-to-edge AMOLED display. The lightweight build and new metal clasp system add to its refined aesthetic. On the other hand, the Xiaomi Watch S4 has a slightly bulkier design, resembling a classic wristwatch. Its AMOLED screen is vibrant, but the thicker bezels make it feel a bit less modern. A unique touch is its removable crown, but it doesn't add any functional benefits. While both watches look high-end, Samsung's refined ergonomics, slimmer bezels, and polished finish make it the clear winner in terms of design. Moving on to the display, Samsung continues to dominate with its industry-leading AMOLED technology. The Galaxy Watch 7 features a high-resolution panel with deep blacks, rich colors, and a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. The brightness holds up even under direct sunlight, making it ideal for outdoor use. On the other hand, Xiaomi's Watch S4 also sports a 60 Hz AMOLED display, delivering great colors and sharp visuals, but it falls short due to its thicker bezels and inconsistent always-on display performance. While both screens are high quality, Samsung's superior brightness, clarity, and immersive design give it the edge here. When it comes to software, the differences are massive. The Galaxy Watch 7 runs WearOS 5 with Samsung's One UI watch, offering full access to Google apps like Maps, Spotify, and YouTube Music. It also supports Google Assistant, Samsung Pay, and LTE connectivity for calls and texts without a phone. On the other hand, the Xiaomi Watch S4 runs on HyperOS 2.0, which is lightweight and power-efficient but lacks third-party app support, Google services, and voice assistant integration. While it covers basics like Bluetooth calling, notifications, and fitness tracking, it's far less functional as a true smartwatch. If you want a complete smartwatch experience, the Galaxy Watch 7 is easily the better pick. In terms of health and fitness tracking, Samsung once again leads the way. The Galaxy Watch 7 offers ECG, blood pressure monitoring, body composition analysis, SpO2 tracking, and a temperature sensor. Plus, its multi-band GPS ensures highly accurate tracking for workouts. On the other hand, Xiaomi's Watch S4 sticks to the basics with heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, sleep tracking, and GPS. But it lacks ECG, blood pressure tracking, and body composition analysis. If you're serious about fitness and health monitoring, the Galaxy Watch 7 is the obvious winner. Now let's talk about battery life, where Xiaomi flips the script. The Xiaomi Watch S4 can last up to an incredible 15 days on a single charge, with even heavy users getting at least a week. This is thanks to its power-efficient HyperOS and large battery. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch 7 lasts about 1.5 to 2 days with normal use. While that's decent for a WearOS watch, it's nowhere near Xiaomi's offering. If you hate charging your watch frequently, the Xiaomi Watch S4 is a no-brainer. As for my final verdict, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is a top-tier smartwatch that checks a lot of boxes. It offers a complete software experience, excellent fitness tracking, and a stunning design. If you want the best smartwatch with advanced health features, app support, and LTE connectivity, this is the one to get. But if battery life is your #1 priority and you don't need all the bells and whistles, the Xiaomi Watch S4 is a solid alternative. Both watches offer great value, but for most users, the Galaxy Watch 7 is the more complete smartwatch. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.